Shandong SUDIAO Intelligent Equipment Company Limited is a professional R&D, production, and sales of laser equipment, established in 2020, located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, covering an area of 8,800 square meters. The company has over 100 experienced employees. Shandong SUDIAO Intelligent Equipment Company Limited is focusing on the research and development, production, and sales of automated woodworking CNC machines and panel furniture production line equipment. Our main products include ATC CNC router, 4-axis CNC router, high-end custom furniture production line, luxury CNC nesting machine, mature cabinet wardrobe making machine, edge banding machine, CNC drilling machine, CNC machining center, etc. And these machines are widely used in CNC machining fields, such as panel furniture, customized cabinets, wardrobes, and solid wood furniture. We has imported advanced international technology and production process, developing high-performance, high-quality machines to meet the different customers' requirement is our ceaseless pursuit and development direction. We have a large CNC router equipment production workshop, as well as our own painting room, metal plate manufacturing workroom. At the same time, we have established a global service network centered around China, serving overseas institutions covering Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Oceania, and other parts of the world, serving more than 120 countries and regions worldwide. Welcome to visit our factory.